The overall goal of this procedure is to monitor perspiration patterns with a newly developed wireless device.
The main advantage of this technique is that both the amount and temporal pattern of perspiration can be monitored by just attaching the device to the skin. Since this is a new device, visual demonstration of this method is critical, as the preparation and usage of the device are difficult to learn.
First, check the perspiration monitoring device to ensure that the battery has not been inserted. Then, plug the white connector of the USB serial port conversion interface to the receptacle at the top of the perspiration monitoring device. Next, execute the perspiration recording software. Open the Settings tab and set the COM number to the ID number of the serial port. Click the Confirm Connection button and check if the message Connected appears. Within the Data File folder settings, choose the drive and select the folder where the perspiration data will be saved. Set the number of holes to 4. Open the Measure and Rec tab and set the time interval to the desired sample time. Then, insert a battery into the perspiration monitoring device. Fill the device with dry silica gel and close the lid. Finally, click the Start Logging Now button in the perspiration recording software.